Alright folks, welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. This video comes to you by way of Half Blind Audits. This guy only needs one eye to see that these cops were harassing these two black dudes. Check out how these cops act, watch what these dudes say at the end of the video. I'm definitely going to drop this guy's original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys go show him support. Let's help blow up his channel. Let's get right to it, folks.
So we got a gang here now. The Blue Line Gang. You don't want to talk to these guys at all. Call came over the radio. He was stopping a black male. A person.
That's not what came out.
So that's all.
We got on the person stuff. The 29th at Parker. The black male, approximately 6 feet tall, wearing a red shirt and gray pants.
That's all that came out. You guys don't need to talk to these men in the uniform at all.
Back it up.
No, I don't. I'm in a public place. We know the law.
If you get too close, you're interfering.
Interference is a physical act. You guys say the same things over and over again. Now he's going to tell me if I'm talking, I'm interfering. It's my First Amendment right. We can film in public just like they are.
That's why you were contacted today, and it really didn't come out about I didn't see that.
Let me point out some obvious truths here. We have 3 white cops hovering over 2 black men just sitting at a park. And all these cops seem to present like they have great attitudes. Cops are not there to become their friends, folks. They're not going to invite them over for dinner. They're trying to get information to arrest them and charge them with something.
I didn't know. I just see what you would say.
Man, y'all don't have to talk to them. They're just fishing for stuff to tell you to find ways to cuff you and stuff you. You don't have to say a single thing to these guys. They're just looking for someone to take down. That's what it is. You notice they walk away when the camera comes out, huh? Tell you what, you grab a camera anytime these bozos stop you. Anytime.
What Half Blind Audits just told these dudes to pull out their phones and record cops, you guys should be taking some notes as well. It doesn't matter who you are. White, black, Chinese, Russian, Mexican. You should be recording the cops as well. It could possibly save your life or save someone else's. Clearly, Half Blind Audits and his camera made these cops tuck tail and do the walk of shame. Folks, if you have the ability to live stream, do that as well. That way cops can't grab your phones or your cameras and delete the footage.
Interfering. Learn the law, bud. Interference. Tell your chief to answer his emails. You guys won't get bugged by me. I noticed you left when the camera came.
And for all those naysayers and bootlickers that don't believe that these cops were there harassing these dudes, check out what they got to say.
They said they saw both of us here, and so people had felt intimidated.
People felt intimidated, huh?
But I just walked up when he turned in the parking lot.
You're the one who came over the radio. They said black male, about 6'1", red shirt.
Yup. They came over here and found me, and then both our ass right here, and so they wanted ID and trying to figure out why we up here.
And they get and he just came up and said, "Give me your ID," or
We started talking for about a good 5 minutes before he even asked for the ID.
Right.
He's just trying to figure out what we doing.
He's fishing because he's looking for something to get you guys on. Because you're in a public place.
Yep.
This is not Nazi Germany. You don't have to give your ID to no popo.
Exactly.
You only have to give it to him when you've been arrested. That's it. That was a consensual conversation, and they were just trying to find something. Then they called back up.
And then you saw that shit.
You know?
Right when they called back up, you pulled up. I appreciate it. Because I'm like, yo, they don't even need backup for this shit.
No, they shouldn't even be bugging you.
Exactly.
Shouldn't even be talking to you. You know, you guys are enjoying a public park. It doesn't matter if you have bags, suitcases, or you drive a semi.
Exactly.
You sitting in the park,
Exactly.
trying to enjoy some shade.
11 to 5 is the only time we not supposed to be here. So it's during the day.
Trying to enjoy some shade, get a little charge on the phone.
Yep. Ain't nothing else going on.
And they say that's not what came over the radio. Well, when I play the video on YouTube, it's going to have that radio call, and it's going to say, personal stop, black male, 6'1", wearing red. Corner of 29th and Parker. You know, which is right up there.
Yep.
You know, was one of y'all walking?
Yep.
The 29th at Parker, the black male, approximately 6 feet tall, wearing a red shirt and gray pants.
So yeah, they caught you walking, and then at that point they swung.
They caught the wrong one.
Yeah, crazy. They caught you walking and swung right around to the
Yeah, I was
park.
walking
29th
right
at Parker.
here.
See?
Yeah. Yep.
See?
Yep.
They don't like me. They don't like me.
Appreciate it.
They don't like me. My name's Christopher.
Christopher Jalen, man.
Jalen?
Yep.
Nice to know you.
Yes, sir.
Nice to know y'all.
Yeah, bro. We don't.
It's public,
It's public.
you know, and they filming you. Actually, I found one cop who wasn't didn't even have his.
Oh, you
did-
saw? Yeah, he didn't have his thing.
Well, one guy at another stop I did didn't even have the camera on. Didn't have it on his body.
You
Yeah.
have the radio scanner in your car?
Yeah, it's an app. You guys can get the
Oh,
app too.
shit.
Just look up police scanner on your for the app.
Drunk. I'm finna get that.
Yeah, shoot.
I'm finna get that.
Shoot.
And you can do any any city. Like
Any city. Any
with a
city.
little
Yep.
PD.
Yep.
Okay, yeah. Police. It's called
Check it
police
out.
scanner.
That's right. There's a couple of them on there. All right. Well, I'm out. It's warm. Look, you'll find if I don't know if you guys do YouTube or not.
Yeah. Where you at?
It's Half Blind Audits. Okay.
Half blind audits.
Half Blind Audits.
I will
Okay.
check you out.
AUDITS. All right.
Check you out. Yeah,
All right.
appreciate
What do you guys think would have happened if Half Blind Audits hadn't showed up with this camera? These guys were not recording the interaction, so they'd have to depend on body cam footage. Now, requesting body cam footage from police departments has become an issue itself. They oftentimes delete footage. They try to hide actions of police officers that don't suit their narrative of protecting and serving the public. Cops always protect each other, folks, from the people. They allow bad behavior, and this is why our channels are growing fast. This is why people are picking up cameras from sea to shining sea, holding cops accountable because their superiors don't do it, city council members don't do it, the mayor is a damn joke, the city attorney is always looking out for the department, internal investigations is a bigger joke, qualified immunity, internal investigations, police unions. These are all umbrellas of protection that allow bad cops to flourish within the departments. We have no choice but to hold them accountable using our cameras and social media. And many times it has made a difference. Just like in this video here. I believe Half Blind Audits showing up with this camera definitely saved these two dudes a bunch of grief. It doesn't matter what color you are, folks. This is supposed to be a free country. Unless you're committing crimes, creating victims, you should not be hassled or bothered by police. Too many videos on the internet prove otherwise, that cops are here to protect and serve. On the contrary, they're here to extort and harass. Now, you don't see it in your neighborhood if you live in an upscale neighborhood and you slap a Back the Blue sticker on your car and you lick boots everywhere you go. Maybe you are experiencing some kind of privilege, but not everybody gets that. The truth is, these cops wanted these two dudes to leave the park because somebody else was feeling threatened by them. Unbelievable, folks. In a world where Karens weaponize the police, this is no longer a free country. Before you guys leave, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution. You have the freedom of press, freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. You do not need a press pass to press on, just like you do not need a religion pass to go to church. And the Fourth Amendment allows you to be secure in your papers and property. Do not give up ID when you don't have to. When you just comply, you make it harder for everybody else. When you stand up for your rights, you stand up for the rights of everyone. I I want to say thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you go subscribe to Half Blind Audits. Let them know San Joaquin News Network sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have a blessed day and always record the police. Peace out.